Okay, so this is basically what it's doing. I'm getting it ready to tow, so I can't move the shifter. It's basically locked. Got my foot down on the brake, and that won't move. So to get it to go into a neutral to shift it, so basically what you do is you want to gas and brake pedal, and then what that will do is that will enable you to shift. Now what you do is you push down on this twice, and then that will put you into a 30-minute neutral mode, and then you'll be able to do stuff with that. So basically I'm putting it back in the park. I'm gonna let the tow guy do what he does, but that's how you get it into kind of like neutral mode.